Hey guys, it's Matt with Accelerating Alpha. If you're watching this video, you're probably somebody who wants to grow their wealth, earn passive income, and keep their expenses low. The good news is you can do all three of these things through a brand new stock trading app called WeBull. So guys, I'm not going to bore you with all the features this app has, such as options trading, after hours trading, in-depth research, paper trading, and the list goes on. Instead, I'm actually going to open this app for the very first time right here on my phone and invest money on it and see what stocks I get. And I want to be able to bring you guys my genuine reaction and thoughts on this app live as I go through it. Alright guys, so I just opened up the WeBull app, and the first thing I'm on is the menu, and there's one free stock, it looks like. Now, the stock I have, or the offer I actually used to get onto WeBull, is not quite as good as the one I have in the link in the description below, because I initially joined WeBull a couple months ago and I haven't had a chance to actually go ahead, deposit any money, and open up my free stock. So I think I'm going to go here, deposit now, and I will, let's see, I'll choose ACH, real-time verification, sure. I might need to block out some stuff for privacy. But again, this is the first time I'm doing any of this. So, you know, if I have any hiccups, you guys will see it live. So I have Ally Bank. Might just fast forward through this so you guys don't have to see it through the magic of editing. So I just went ahead and I linked up my bank account to WeBull and I deposited $100. Now, it said it might be available instantly, but I haven't seen that yet. So I actually went back to click on my free stock because I really would like to open it up today in front of you guys. If not, I may have to wait a day or so. So looking down actually at why WeBull, it gives us a chance to see some more of the benefits of using WeBull. Of course, there's going to be zero commissions, which is really big to me. A lot of other trading apps, though, have recently offered that, including TD Ameritrade, which is the main app I use. Now, if I go ahead and if I click this Get Started button again for my free stock, it actually shows that I did, in fact, make my deposit. And if I view my deposit details, it says it's pending. I guess I could make another deposit, but I really don't want to. There's my deposit, pending again still. So, in the meantime, why don't we go ahead and let's take a look at WeBull itself. So if we go here to market, it shows the Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ. That's pretty cool. IPO Center. So one thing that's really cool with WeBull is I've been getting a lot of notifications regarding new IPOs that are up and coming. So that's pretty neat because a lot of times with IPOs, you can see the stock normally move upward at a very fast pace. So it can be pretty exciting to actually get involved in those early on. We have a whole lot of charts too, which I have TD Ameritrade, and already I like some of this better. You know, it's showing me a tremendous amount of information, which I don't get off the bat with TD Ameritrade. Now, what's this screener? My dividend, add new screener here. Yeah, you know what? Maybe I don't really feel like doing it. I want to let's look up a stock. So let's say Visa. Visa is currently a pretty hot stock to get involved in. So we see it's up a good little amount today, about 1%. We can see the analysts. Okay. Oh, wow. So you have like the outflow, the inflow. Here are the options right here. I'll say this though, that's a little inconvenient. Oh, that's an ad. Okay, so it seems like their interface is going to take a little bit of getting used to, but it really does give you see most of the analysts are 92% bullish on the stock. There's some comments on it. This is really neat. Yeah. Strong buy. Now the question is though, even though I don't have any money in my account, how would I buy this stock? Oh, trade. You need to set a trading password. So let me set a password. Let's do a particular. Yeah, okay, let's do a particular trading password. Okay, fingerprint ID. So it looks like I'm setting up my fingerprint. Okay. And I think my password's set, so can I trade it? Are they going to let me buy it? Okay. So it sets me directly at a limit order, which for those that don't know, when you do a limit order, you're going to say, I want to pay that specific price for that stock. So if by the time you put in the order request, if it's not quite at that specific price, meaning if it's gone above, it's not going to fulfill it. Now, if it's gone below, I believe it should still fulfill the order because it's below the maximum price that you actually want to pay. If you do something like a market order, which I could do here, it would do it just based on the market price. Now, with that said, normally if you buy a stock, it will tell you if the price had gone up, and it will ask you to confirm if that's okay. Most times it's not by much, though. It looks like we have an extended hours option, too. Okay, guys, so according to WeBull, I have $100 of instant buying power, like I mentioned earlier. Now, for most brokerages, it goes straight in my cash account. It's not quite instant buying power, but I immediately have $100, like with TD Ameritrade. So it doesn't seem to be much of a big difference there, but it's going to take several business days, though, for my money to actually arrive into WeBull. But it seems to be covered with that instant buying power. So since I have $100, let's go buy a stock for $100. Let's see which one we can do. I'm trying to think of a good one here. What stock should I buy? Tesla's too expensive. What's MasterCard at? Like MasterCard, I think that's 300 some. Up, that's too expensive for us. Maybe no, it's a good one. A good one is Duke Energy. Duke Energy. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it looks like I can buy this one. $96. The stock's been doing really good. So I'll trade. So I'm going to buy. Oh, it's not letting me buy. Oh, wait. Whoops. That's why. Because I need to add one there. Okay. Buy. Confirm. Buy, and confirm. And there we go. It looks like I just bought a stock. Okay. My order has been filled. Awesome. So let's go to my account. And how do I do that? Let's go click the center thing. Okay. Net account. So it shows my net account value. So it looks like I made a whopping 2 cents, guys, since buying that stock. So there you go. Oh, it's gone up to 5 cents now. I'm on my way to be a millionaire. So that was honestly pretty easy. 7 cents now. Wow. So look at the performance here. I mean, it's too early to really tell you, but you see the daily P&L, profit loss, several different charts here. It'll probably be much more effective once you have several different stocks in your portfolio and have actually been invested in them for several months, not just, the last 30 seconds or so. So yeah, now I'm up to 15 cents. This is fantastic. So this is pretty good so far. I'm pleasantly surprised with WeBull. In full disclosure, that link inside the description below is an affiliate link that I have. However, I want to bring you guys my honest opinion. And that's why I wanted to open this app live in front of you guys, so you can actually see me playing around in it and to get my genuine thoughts on it. I'm going to jump in a minute and cut back to you guys here in a couple minutes with my free stock. But so far, I'm pretty happy with it. I actually like it a lot. So at this point, I would definitely recommend you guys get it. So with that being said, I'll just close it for now, and let's jump on in and take a look at my free stock. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days, and I ended up getting my free stock. So as you can see on the screen, it is ISBC, and it's only valued at $11.91. So unfortunately, I didn't get one of the bigger stocks, but it's still a free stock. Now remember, if you click the link in the description below, you not only get one free stock, but you get 2 free stocks. And one of those stocks could be worth up to $1,400. If any of you guys happen to get that stock, please let me know in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next week.